What's going on, YouTube? I will unbox the, ordered this off Amazon Prime. This is the MTM 15 magazine ammo box for the 223-556 ammo magazines. So I figured I'd unbox it. Just came in the mail. So let's get this going. This was from Amazon, $19.99, shipped to the door, 2 days, Amazon Prime. I've heard a lot of good things about these boxes, so I figured, what the hell, I'll get one, check it out. Came just like that. One little piece of paper in there. Seems pretty nice. Offhand, it's a little light, but it feels like nice sturdy plastic. Looks like 2 latches. The latches, I don't know. They seem like they open a little easy, but they seem like they close with a nice click. So let's see what we got here. Comes with the MTM Case Guard product catalog. Like a bunch of good crap in there. Now this box, the gasket looks a little thin around here, but nonetheless doesn't look too bad. The foam insert here feels nice and thick on these pieces, but the little separators between the magazine holes seem a little loose, but once the magazines are in there, I'm sure they fit nice. The box itself looks like it has 3 holes here for 3 separate locks. I don't know why you'd want 3 separate locks on here, but the handle seems nice and sturdy. And this is called the MTM Case Guard 15. It's the 15 magazine box for 223-556. Made in the USA. Tactical mag can. Dark Earth. Looks pretty good. I'm looking forward to loading up some mags, getting them in there, and the next video will be, this box will be full. Anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you later.